In this tutorial, you will learn how to create email templates in Gmail and how to use them easily whenever you need to send professional, repeated, or branded emails. The process is simple once you install a helpful tool that enhances Gmail's built-in features and gives you access to beautifully designed templates you can customize. To begin, open your Gmail account and start by clicking the Compose button. Normally, this is where you type a new email, add your recipient, subject, and message. But instead of writing an email from scratch every time, you can use templates to save time and maintain a consistent look. Before using templates, you need to install a tool called CloudHQ Gmail Email Templates. This extension is available in the Chrome Web Store. Simply visit the store, search for CloudHQ, and look for the Gmail Email Templates extension. Once you find it, click to add it to Chrome and confirm by selecting Add Extension. After installation, Gmail will refresh and you will see the new template feature appear inside your Compose window. You may also see a small welcome message from CloudHQ confirming that the extension has been successfully added. Now, when you click Compose, Gmail will show the usual formatting tools, but there will also be a new button labeled Insert Template. When you click Insert Template, you can choose Browse Templates to open a large library of professionally designed options. CloudHQ offers many categories including business, announcements, events, sales, invitations, follow-ups, greetings, promotions, and more. You can scroll through and choose one that best fits your needs. For example, a holiday email, a product announcement, a thank you message, or a newsletter layout. Selecting a template will prepare it and load it directly into your email draft. Once the template appears in your message, you can customize every part of it. You can replace the logo by clicking the image and uploading your own file from your computer. You can also change the title text by double-clicking it and typing your custom heading. The body text can also be edited to match your message, your tone, or the information you want to share with your audience. Many templates include smart buttons that link to websites, landing pages, stores, or videos. You can click the button to edit its action. For example, you can change the link to your website, your YouTube channel, a product page, a booking form, or any URL you want readers to visit. You can also adjust the background color of the button to match your brand identity or simply to make the design more attractive. After customizing your email template, you can close the editor and prepare to send it. Enter your own email address or the recipient's address, add a subject line if needed, and click Send. The message will be delivered exactly as designed. When you check your inbox, you'll see the template formatting preserved, including images, colors, layout, and button functionality. Clicking the button will take you to the link you set, confirming that everything works correctly. CloudHQ also automatically saves your edited templates so you can reuse them later without recreating them from scratch. You will find your saved templates under the Insert Template menu, making it easy to send consistent and professional emails whenever you need. This is especially useful for people who run businesses, send repeated updates, email clients regularly, or want polished designs without needing to hire a designer. Using CloudHQ Gmail email templates is one of the easiest ways to elevate your emails and create polished messages quickly. You can create entire campaigns, announcements, newsletters, and holiday greetings with just a few clicks. With this tool, your Gmail becomes a powerful email marketing assistant while keeping everything simple and beginner friendly.